What's the deal, ladies and gents? It's your boy back with another video, and today is gonna be the long-awaited, long-anticipated NBA YoungBoy video. Before I get into any of that, please hit that subscribe button if you ain't already subscribed, and please like the video and comment what you would like to see next, and I'll be sure to take it into consideration. Without any further ado, let's get into it. Now, the number one thing about NBA YoungBoy style is punching in. Punching in is a recording technique that rappers use to break their bars apart. This speeds up the writing process because it keeps rappers from having to sit down and write a whole verse. Instead, they usually rap one line at a time or rap as they go. For an example,
we spending that money, we get it in state, he broke that neck in time. We be spending that money, we get it in state, broke that nigga, keep up.
the reason this is so important for NBA is because it allows him to switch his emotional delivery on the drop of a dime. This would be nearly impossible if you wrote down your lyrics. See this example.
Again, that bitch gotta fall right there. Kelly, you know that I bet that. Pull up, show my ass, I'm like with a check. Before I walk in, I'm like with a perk. Setting up at the party, you know I success that.
Notice how his emotional range isn't as dynamic as in the previous example. NBA has 3 to 4 different deliveries. One, I say, is the melodic auto-tune one. The other one is the aggressive one, the hey, fuck em, pop, hey, bitch. You know what I'm saying? And then it's his more heartfelt conversational tone. Because he punches in, he can go from one tone to another within 2 lines, which is very, very big for his style. Another big requirement of this rapping style is to have a passionate delivery. This is what makes NBA YoungBoy's music so visceral. His lyrics don't have to make you think because his delivery makes you feel. And one more thing about it is his use of syllables to structure his songs. Basically, 9 times out of 10, he will run with a certain number of syllables for 4 bars, and then when he's ready to switch the flow, he just changes the number of syllables he'll use. For example, in his song Genie, you see it's problems, solve it, body, bought it. So that's a 2-syllable flow. Then for the next 4 bars, he switches it up to ain't gon' die for me, ain't gon' ride for me, you just lied to me, got to cry to me. That's a 5-syllable flow. And then in the next 4 bars, he switches it up to a 4-syllable flow. Do you feel it? Penitentiary. Who the realest? Answer wishes. And an example for make no sense, he does the same thing. Motherfucker, 30 burner, Tina Turner, put you under. That's a 4-syllable flow. And then in the next 4 bars, he goes, tweak like damn, who I am, hating like damn, 1-2 slam. That's a 3-syllable flow, you feel me? Now, I'm gonna use all of those techniques and skills in order to create an NBA YoungBoy type vibe. So please check it out, and thank you guys for watching. I appreciate all of the love and support. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace. We ain't playing with these niggas, I send headshots. Them killers coming, got me tossing in my bed now. We pull up on them, let it go until he bled out. They gon' have to take me out of caskets for some fed time. So when you tell me you love me, then I hope that you mean it. It's like you came at the right time, ain't know that I need it. My mama told me, baby boy, let go of your demons. Them niggas hate for no reason, I'm 38 for no reason. Don't lie to me and try to fake it out. We load them things, but we don't aim at the sky. You lose your brain, reach from my chain, and I promise you die. Them niggas thought it was sweet, but them 38s, they went and painted your block. And now it's pain in my heart, pain in my heart. My niggas came from the struggle, living in the dark. I told that bitch I never loved because she had me scarred. Look what you did to me, was it worth it after all? Shit, I might flash on you, do you dirty, put a bag on you. Count that money up, I'm from a fast corner. Wanna be NBA, then strap up, go and put that mask on you. Niggas can die today, I autograph that body bag for you, nigga. I don't thank you. Really feeling my pain. This 38 shit, baby, still in my veins. I guess I'm stuck because I'm still in my ways. Might lose a meal in a day.